Ever felt like your gaming setup or home office just needed that final perfect touch? Meet the 4000J Surge Protector Power Strip with USB ports. Imagine not just charging your gadgets, but doing it with style. This thing has RGB lighting that'll make your space look like a futuristic nightclub. Let's dive in. First up, this bad boy comes with 6 wide-spaced AC outlets, so no more battle royale with your bulky adapters. Each one gets to fit in comfortably. Plus, with 4,000 joules of surge protection, you can party on without a care, knowing your precious devices are safe from unexpected voltage spikes. Now, who here hates waiting for their phone to charge? With its 20W fast-charging USB ports, say goodbye to those endless waits. We're talking about juicing up your devices from 0 to 50% in under 30 minutes. Whether you're gaming or just multitasking in your home office, this is a game changer. And oh, the RGB lights, they're not just a gimmick. Customize them to match your mood or setup vibe. They'll make your station look as epic as it feels. Ready to transform your setup? Check out the link in the description to grab yours. Trust me, your gadgets and your eyes will thank you. Go on, indulge your inner techie.